For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented humanity's deepest view into the universe. Its enormous mirror, powerful infrared vision, and ability to observe some of the earliest galaxies ever formed have transformed our understanding of cosmic history. Webb has shown us galaxies that existed when the universe was still young, revealed hidden regions where stars are born, and studied the atmospheres of distant planets in extraordinary detail. It gave many people the feeling that humanity had finally built the ultimate machine for exploring the cosmos. But NASA is now preparing another observatory that will change astronomy in a completely different way. It is not designed to replace James Webb, nor is it built simply to look farther into space. Instead, it is designed to look wider, faster, and more systematically than any previous space telescope. This new mission is the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Instead of focusing on a small number of objects in extreme detail, Roman will act like a giant cosmic surveyor. It will map billions of galaxies, stars, and other celestial objects while searching for the invisible forces that shape our universe. While Webb studies individual galaxies, stars, and planets with incredible precision, Roman will examine the universe on the largest possible scale. It will investigate dark matter, dark energy, and the enormous cosmic web that connects galaxies across billions of light years. Scientists believe that some of the greatest discoveries of the future will come not from studying a single extraordinary object, but from recognizing patterns spread across the entire universe. At first glance, Roman may seem less impressive than Webb. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters, much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. But mirror size is not what makes Roman special. Webb is designed to look deep into a tiny region of the sky, revealing breathtaking detail. Roman is designed for scale. Its wide-field instrument can capture enormous sections of the sky in a single image, allowing astronomers to survey space hundreds of times faster than many previous observatories. One Roman image will cover an area far larger than what Webb can observe in a single pointing. That difference is incredibly important because many of the biggest questions in modern physics require enormous amounts of data. To understand dark matter and dark energy, scientists must study millions and eventually billions of galaxies. They need to observe how galaxies are distributed across the universe and how those patterns have changed over billions of years. Roman will produce some of the most detailed maps of the universe ever created. It will reveal how galaxies gather into clusters, how gravity shapes their motion, and how the universe has evolved throughout cosmic history. Perhaps the greatest mystery Roman will explore is the invisible universe. Everything humans have ever seen, every star, planet, galaxy, and cloud of gas, accounts for only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is believed to be made of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious components that dominate the cosmos but remain largely unexplained. Dark matter cannot be seen because it neither emits nor reflects light. Yet its gravitational effects are visible everywhere. Galaxies rotate much faster than they should if only their visible matter existed. Something invisible appears to provide extra gravity, holding these enormous structures together. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations have shown that the expansion of the universe is speeding up, as though an unknown force is pushing space itself apart. To investigate these mysteries, Roman will use one of the most powerful tools in modern cosmology, gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, massive objects bend space and time. As light from distant galaxies travels through the universe, it is slightly distorted by the gravity of matter along its path. By measuring these tiny distortions across hundreds of millions of galaxies, Roman will create the most detailed maps yet of dark matter, helping scientists understand. Roman's mission goes far beyond studying dark matter. It will also observe thousands of exploding stars known as supernovae and carefully measure the large-scale distribution of galaxies. These observations will help scientists determine whether dark energy behaves exactly as current theories predict or whether it points toward entirely new laws of physics. The telescope will also transform our understanding of planets beyond our solar system. One of Roman's major scientific goals is to search for exoplanets using a technique called gravitational microlensing. Instead of looking for planets that pass in front of their stars, Roman will detect planets when their gravity briefly magnifies the light from a distant background star. This method is especially powerful because it can discover colder planets located far from their stars, worlds similar to the outer planets in our own solar system that are difficult to detect using other techniques. By monitoring millions of stars toward the center of the Milky Way, Roman is expected to discover thousands of new exoplanets and give astronomers a much clearer picture of how planetary systems form throughout our galaxy. Perhaps the most exciting part of Roman's mission is the possibility of discovering something completely unexpected. History has shown that every revolutionary telescope has revealed surprises. The Hubble Space Telescope discovered galaxies and cosmic structures that changed astronomy forever. The James Webb Space Telescope found surprisingly early galaxies and revealed remarkable details inside the atmospheres of distant planets. Roman is expected to continue that tradition. Because it will observe such an enormous portion of the sky, it may discover unusual galaxies, rare gravitational events, mysterious cosmic explosions, and entirely new phenomena that scientists have never seen before. Many of the universe's greatest secrets are likely hidden in regions that have never been explored in enough detail. Roman will open those regions to scientific investigation like never before. The true importance of the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is not that it will replace James Webb. Instead, it will complete our view of the universe. Webb acts like a powerful cosmic microscope, examining individual objects with incredible detail. Roman will act like a giant cosmic mapmaker, showing where those objects exist and how they connect across the universe. Together, these two observatories will become one of the most powerful partnerships in the history of astronomy. Roman will identify unusual galaxies, mysterious gravitational effects, and regions worthy of closer investigation. Webb can then point its powerful instruments toward those discoveries and study them in extraordinary detail. One telescope will reveal the big picture. The other will explain the fine details. Together, they may help humanity move beyond simply observing the universe and toward understanding how it truly works. When the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope begins its mission, it will do much more than capture beautiful images. It will measure the invisible forces that shape galaxies, trace the history of cosmic expansion, discover thousands of new worlds beyond our solar system, and search for answers to some of the greatest mysteries in physics. The universe has always been filled with hidden structures and unseen forces. Roman's mission is to bring those invisible parts into view, reminding us that the greatest discoveries may still be waiting just beyond